lot of questions we get with our turf care program is, do we apply lime? To answer that question, we absolutely do. It is a part of your regular maintenance program. However, if you are having deficiencies within the lawn or you have acidity going on, lime is the way to correct that. The best way to identify if you're having these types of deficiencies that require lime, we will come out, we'll take a soil sample of the property just to make sure we're not over applying or under applying. We need to identify exactly how much we need to put onto the lawn, and in which case we do that. This is something that we apply during the months of July through September. This is something that we have to stay up on in the Charlotte metro area to make sure that your turf is responding to all the nutrients and fertilizers that we're putting down. So if you're looking for a lime application, look into the DalaCasa's turf care program and give us a call today.